Hi guys, welcome Spartan Drives here again, and today is the first time, I think also in Austria, that I have this opportunity to drive the 11th gen Honda Civic. This is the EV version, HEV, they say that HEV, it means this is 2.0-liter engine with electric engine. We have in this blue color, and today I wanna make the first video, I think, here in Austria, and also the first drive. I wanna show you small details about this car, because as you know I have the previous generation, but not the normally. I have the Type R, and the Type R should also come in here in Austria. So we have here 18 inches wheels. They are in this nice black color, and we have the 235/40/18 with Michelin PS4. This is the sport version, because you have the standard, the sport, and the advance, and this is a sport, and you can see this spoiler here, and also all the details, they are in black color, as you can see. The Honda badge also. First look, it looks almost the same like the 10 gen Civic, also the previous generation of Civic. This is the first impression, also my first. Yes, we have here. So you have enough space, as you can see here. The materials are good, soft, a little harder here, but it's normal. You have also 2 ports here to charge your phone. This is, I think, only for charging and not like a USB. Other sides, you can find everything here in the front. So let's see also the engine. Like I mentioned, I think we have 2 electric motors and also a petrol engine, and it combines together. It brings out 185 horsepower. So, and now it's time to drive. So welcome to the new 11th gen Civic, Honda Civic hybrid. So this is the key. Can put this here. I show you right away before we begin. This is the first time not that I see the car and I drive, of course, and I don't know nothing about the car, and this is all about in my videos. I want to discover also with you, you know. I don't do nothing before. I don't take a brochure and I read what about the car. I ask, I have some ideas, and then I discover everything with you. So let's drive. Driving position, let's go. very quiet in the beginning, and this is because we have the electromotor now. And as I can see, and you can see also, we are now in the normal drive modus. Here we have, when you go back, you have the eco mode. But yeah, I will find out. One, two cup holders. But this is also a very nice touch. Take a look. Up, down, left, right, and this is also for here. We have 2 and 1/3 there. Parking, when you push on this down, is the reverse gear, neutral, drive, and then here you have the drive mode, brake hold, and the parking. I will drive now on the highway, and I will be able to test and to try out the different mode of the car, driving mode. So I want to say the car has a very nice quality when you're sitting. The car are very stable. How can I say? They are very stable. You have this feeling. So I'm gonna change now to the normal mode, and you can see also here. This touchscreen is, I think, now 9 inches or 11. I think 11. This is 2 inches larger, like the older FK8, also FK7 Civic. Yeah, of course you have also this driving assistance. I will try. This is here, and then yes, now the car, I think, drives. Yes, let's test. Okay, yes, it self-drive. But you must take a look. Yes, when you just touch the steering wheel, then you have, I think, 1 minute for self-driving, as you can see. Yes, again. And now it takes also the lines, and when you have a car in front of you, you will see now the car brakes from itself. This is okay. I think you know already 90% of the new cars had this system now, and now the car begins to brake. cancel, and now I can drive again normal. I don't know, I think maybe you can take off, because when I go to cross the lines, the car informs you that you are crossing the lines. Yeah, I will show you. You cannot feel, but I can feel this in the steering wheel, that it tries to look. You see? Yeah, this is what I mean. I don't know if you can put this out, so off, but So guys, this was the 11 Ghent Civic. We drive now in my channel, and also I want to say to some guys, because they ask me on the social medias how much cost this car here. Also here in Austria, this car what we have here in front of us, this is the 2-liter IMD hybrid sport, and you have the carbon fiber on the down skirt. Then we have also here this, and this car it begins from 34,400 euros. Then you have also the elegance edition. It begins with 32,800, and then you have the advanced hybrid advanced edition. This is the white car, in the front. I saw you before. I make also a video, and this car, the advance, it begins with 37,900 euros. This is all you need to know.